Imagine why a hismóí agus a fastí an seachtain seo tá ag play agus ag deanú an scéal Hansel agus Gretel, seo scéal don na ní an hensearacha agus éis leis an scéal de Hansel agus Gretel inis. So this week we're working on Hansel and Gretel, the classic story, and fable scéalta, the fable story, do ní an hensearacha for senior infants. So I want you now to listen to the story of Hansel and Gretel as I read it to you. Hansel agus Gretel. Fadó bhí buhal beg agus cailín beg an. Hansel agus Gretel a bainim dóibh. Lá a bháin hui siad ag siúil sa chill. Honnig siad cha alín sa chill. A seachlaid briscí líarachan agus milsein a bhí an chat janta. Rís siad go dtí an cha. Dúirt Hansel, oh, it's bralum an cha seo. Dúirt Gretel, is féidir é a ihe. So, long ago, there was a little boy and a little girl. Hansel agus Gretel a bainim dóibh. Hansel and Gretel were their names. One day they went walking in the woods. Lá a bháin hui siad ag siúil sa chill. Honnig siad cha alín sa chill. They saw a beautiful house in the woods. As seachlaid briscí líarachan agus milsein a bhí an chat janta. Out of chocolate, biscuits, lollipops and sweets, the house was made. Rís siad go dtí an cha. They ran to the house. Hansel said, oh, is bralum an cha seo. Oh, I love this house. And Gretel says, is féidir é a ihe. You can eat it. Nish picture a doll. An cailleach grania. Fáilte roimh a fastí, taigigh isteach, taigigh sí isteach, ag gaire, ha, 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 ha. Seo líarachan ditch, seo líarachan mór ditch. So the ugly witch said, welcome children, taigigh isteach, come in, as she was a gaire laughing. Seo líarachan ditch, here's a lollipop for you. Here's a lollipop for you. Picture a tree. Hug and cailleach grana go leor briscí agus milsein do Hansel agus Gretel. Gretel, go ro my hugget. Hansel, go ro my hugget. The ugly witch gave lots of biscuits to the children and sweets to the children. Hansel and Gretel said, go ro my hugget, thank you so much. Picture a cahar. An sin caihan cailleach granach Hansel bocht isteas agas. Hussy sé cínu. Hansel, ligamach me. Hussy Gretel ag cínu freshen. Ta ugla urim bawailam dullawalya. So then the ugly witch threw poor Hansel into the cage. He started crying. Let me out, let me out. Let me out, he said. Poor Gretel started crying then too. I'm afraid I would like to go home. Picture a cuig, the fifth picture. Bhí an cailleach granach chun Hansel a ihe. A dúirt an cailleach granach. Ligamach me. Go tuban hitch an cailleach grana isteas sa tine. Ba sin jeru leis an gailleach. So, what happened then, boys and girls, is the cailleach granach was going to eat Hansel. The cailleach grana was going, yum. Hansel was saying, let me out, ligamach me. But then suddenly, the ugly witch fell into the fire, and that was the end of the witch. Bhí Hansel agus Gretel sasta an sin, bhí go leor milsein acu. Hansel said, yum. Gretel says, is maidlum an cha seo. Agus an sin hui Hansel agus Gretel a bhaile. Ba sin séirí leis an scéal. Hansel and Gretel were very happy then. They had lots of sweets. Hansel says, yum, yum, yum. Gretel says, I like this house. And then Hansel and Gretel went home. Hui siad na bhaile, they went home. Bidin sin Jerry leis an scéal. So our new words this week, boys and girls, is Hansel, Gretel and Cailleach Cranach, the ugly witch, and Kill the woods, and Cha the house, Shacklight chocolate, Lyrican lollipops, Milshine sweets, Cass at cage, Chinna the fire, Sasta happy, Egri running, a Kinu crying, agus a Gaira laughing. And our key phrases for this story is Bradlum, I love, and to falch row of a fashti, you're welcome, children. Agus ligamach me, let me out, let me out. So we're going to practice that story for the week, boys and girls. Agus sulogum go many shift sultas. Gura maigov.